Okay, hello everybody, this is Bob at Mark's Motorsports, and today we have this 1000 Outlander, and it's going to get one of our most popular accessories that you can add. Okay, so this unit is going to get aluminum skid plates. So you really want to do this so that you can protect your unit from underneath, from getting any kind of damage. It really makes a difference, and I'll show you what the parts look like here, and then I'll show you through the whole process. We'll go piece by piece. I'll show you photos, and then we'll show you the completed unit at the end. Thank you. So you can see that the Outlander is up here on the rack, and it's getting its parts on. It does take a lot of time to do this, and our trained mechanics are very good at this because they're used to doing it over and over. Yes, you could do it yourself, but it is kind of involved. So you can see you have to take the wheels off. Most of the skid plates are on. We're coming up, to wrapping it up here. So stay tuned and wait for the finished job here, and you'll see that we used up all the parts, and all your important pieces of your quad are protected with the aluminum skid plates. Okay, so our technician's all finished. You can see here's the new aluminum plates to protect all your vital components here on your Outlander. It's really a good idea for you to do this modification. It's always better when you first buy the new unit. They have it here when they're prepping it, so everything can happen and go together all at once rather than bring it back. And then you'll save your vital components from having a problem. So you can do this. Give us a call at 860-741-5115, or you can go online at marksmotorsports.com. Thank you, and please share and like our video.